Very demure, very considerate, very approachable, very demure. Very natural, very approachable, very demure. Let's be mindful and remember to be demure, ladies.
Sa tingin nyo rin ba, I look very demure? So let's repeat. Very demure, very natural, very approachable, very innocent, very mysterious, very silent, just drinking a cup of tea early in the morning. So, ganyan siguro ang pagkakadescribe na very demure ang eksena. So, tama ba or what? Tama nga ang sinabi ni Miss Demure na be mindful, be considerate, be respectful, be sensitive, and always be observant, especially sa mga feelings of others. Tapos nasabi din niya sa mga appearance of others, tapos kung ano rin yung nasa opinion of others. O, di ba? Pero kapag may problema ka or